Stop. Yep. Okay, go forward. Okay, hold on. Okay, go back. Okay, something's seriously wrong. Okay, go forward. Okay, go back. Okay. I know. I was revving it like to 3,000 or 4,000 before it would catch sometimes. Okay. Go forward. Forward. Okay, stop right there. That's fine. You know what? Back it out and go more that way if you can. Oh yeah, the caliper is just scraping. Yep, okay. That's good like that.